Okay, so there's my question. X squared plus y squared equals 1 in 2 space, and then in 3 space. So what is it in two space? It's a circle. So in R2, in fact, it's what? The unit circle that you did a lot with in trigonometry. In R2, x squared plus y squared equals 1 is the unit circle. And if I were going to graph that, I just have to put in the x and the y axis. And then 1, 0 is on that unit circle. 0, 1, negative 1, 0, and then 0, negative 1. Unit circle. Okay, what is it in R3?
Cylinder.
It's a cylinder. In R3, x squared plus y squared equals 1 is a cylinder. So what I would do to graph that and you might angle these x and y's a little differently, and sometimes on the test, students might label one of these as the z-axis. And that's okay, but your picture has to match your labels. So if this is y, this is x, and this is z, then I'm looking at x squared plus y squared equals 1. And I'm thinking, okay, in just the xy plane, then it's a circle. So I would kind of come through here and let me put in my dotted lines for my negative portion of these lines. And I'm going to graph or plot some points like 1, 0, 0 is on this cylinder because that satisfies this equation. 0, 1, 0, so that's on the y-axis. And then, what's this point? Negative 1, 0, 0, and then this way on negative y, 0, negative 1, 0. Those points are on the cylinder. And from here, I'm going to sketch in the circle that would be in the xy plane. They'll call that a trace. Sketch in this trace, and it's going to look a little lopsided because of the way the axes are angled there. In fact, you could say, you know what, this back side I probably wouldn't see, so you could dot that in. That's the circle that's in the xy plane. To get the cylinder from these points, I'm going to draw lines parallel to z. And I'm thinking, I didn't think this through quite enough, but that's what it is right here on this paper. Because I want to draw up, and then I'm going to put the circle up here. Now I want that kind of parallel to the circle that's below. I didn't think it through enough because I'm running into my writing up there. But there's my cylinder. And you could kind of go down a bit too, because it does go up, goes up forever, goes down forever, parallel to the z-axis. So here's, and again, that back side you probably wouldn't see. You might want to not clutter up your picture with that, but there's a cylinder in R3, x squared plus y squared equals 1 is a cylinder.